Para sa akin, you don't have to be ready. You just have to start. So, I would rather have many mistakes na at least nag-try ako, di ba? To really get started with the business. Kaysa naman yung lifetime regrets ko na sana sinubukan ko pala. Sana pala nung mga panahon na yun is in-start ko na. This is your sign na kung meron kang ganitong thinking, this is the best time to really get started kung ano yung goal mo. And kung ano yung gusto mong business, umpisahan mo. Hi! My name is Gladys and I am a travel agent. So, paano ba ako nag-start ng sarili kong travel agency business? So, syempre, hindi naman tayo nag-start na malaki agad na travel agency, no? Nung nag-start ako is, I've started as a home-based travel agency owner. So, bakit ko ba naisipan na magkaroon ng home-based business? Siyempre, as a professional, napapagod din kami sa trabaho natin and I really wanted to explore. Actually, ang nag-push talaga sa akin to start this is mahilig kami mag-travel. So, kahit na nag-work kami noon, madalas talaga kami mag-travel. Like, nag-book ako ng, una kong travel is Puerto Princesa. So, nag-try din kaming mag-backpacking sa Indochina, which is Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. So, feeling ko noon, kaya dahil ako yung nag-book ng lahat, like, nabook ko yung hotel, nabook ko yung fare, yung flight namin, nabook ko yung lahat ng trips namin. So, feeling ko, ang giling-giling ko na na maging travel agent. So, sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi ko to gawin as a business? Kasi total, marunong naman na ako mag-book. And then, mabubook ko pa yung mga friends ko. Yung mga friends ko kasi super galade nila. So, what if magkaroon ako ng extra income for those family and friends muna who loves to travel? And also, yung trip ko is magkaroon ako ng discounted or not even discounted kasi kapag nabook ko yung friends ko, pwedeng ako yung plus one, di ba, pagka-grow. So, yun lang naman yung goal ko is makapag-travel for free, makapag-travel for discounts. And syempre, ma-enjoy ko rin yung mahirap na kasi sa office, di ba? Pagod-pagod na doon. So, ma-enjoy ko lang yung life ko. Magkaroon lang ako ng work-life balance and yung job na pwede kong gawin din on the side ng aking work. And then, nag-attend lang ako ng training how to start a travel agency business. And ang kagandahan dito, hindi kasi ganun kalaki yung puhunan. Like, I mean, wala ako na products na mabubulok. Kasi actually, nag-try naman din ako ng ibang businesses as well. Nag-local e-commerce ako. And ang struggle ko kasi with other businesses is may mga products na naiiwan kapag hindi mo na-market ng maayos yung business. But this one is parang, feeling ko is perfect siya for me. It's because, una nga, hindi ko nararamdaman na nag-work ako kasi nagta-travel ka eh. So, ang saya sa feeling na nagta-travel ka. So, nung nag-start kami as home-based business, sabi ko nga, nasa maliit lang kami na kwarto. Masasabi ko kwarto kasi bahay siya eh. Tapos, nag-alat ako ng weeks to really study the business, magawa ng SOP or Standard Operating Procedure. Ang sabi ko is, hindi pwede na ako yung magko-quote palagi or magma-market. So, I hired people agad. As soon as I get to finish the standard operating procedures, sabi ko, kailangan ako yung maging brain ng lahat ng to. And gumalaw sila, delegate the task. So, after 1 month of operations, natuwa ako kasi hindi pa uso gaano yung digital marketing back then when we started noong 2017. Pero ang dami talaga engagement agad. Yung post namin, pakikita mo talaga trending siya agad. Nag-start kami with ticketing ng home base. And nung pumatok yung ticketing business, like yung magbubuka ng airfare, actually airfare lang nun basically is the ticketing, di ba? Nag-add na kami unti-unti, okay, what if mag-add tayo ng domestic destination? What if mag-add tayo ng international destination? So that's how we did it when we get started. And paunti-unti, from 2 kami ni Dexter, nag-hire kami ng, naging 5 kami, naging 10 kami, and after a year, umabot na kami ng 30 plus, and we really have to move. Sabi ko noon is, hindi na dapat tayo nandito sa home base natin, kasi marami na rin clients na nagtatanong kung legit ka ba talaga, and one way of really saying them na legit ka is if meron kang physical office sa mall, and that's when we started opening si Lucky Chinatown Mall. So basically, that's how we get started. Tonight I'm going home.
Never